Are you looking for the best smokeless fire pits? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smokeless fire pits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Solo Stove Yukon 2.0. Out of all the options we tested, including multiple Solo Stove models, we found the Yukon 2.0 by Solo Stove to be the best smokeless fire pit. It's easy to use and care for, and is extremely durable. The design allows lots of airflow to feed the flames, so your fire gets to the temperature that helps limit smoke emission. We love this fire pit so much that we've tested it multiple times throughout the years to compare it to others, and it still passes all of our tests with flying colors. The heat is evenly distributed, and as a summer fire pit, we have to move our chairs back 5 feet to enjoy the flames, without melting from the heat it emits. We also like the size of the fire pit. It's designed for up to 6 people to gather around, so it's perfect for outdoor gatherings. Because the fire burns so hot, this fire pit requires plenty of wood, so be prepared to keep a good amount on hand if you plan to keep the fire going for an entire evening. Throughout all of our testing, including our most recent round, we've continued to enjoy it weekly with no wear and tear, aside from a naturally blackened pit inside. The exterior looks showroom shiny even though we've frequently towed it between the front and backyard. Our favorite thing is the little bit of smoke that it does make rises straight up, instead of drifting into your face. So everyone stays comfy in their favorite lawn chair. The Yukon 2.0 doesn't require any assembly, as it comes in 3 parts, a stand, the pit, and a ventilation ring, all of which easily stack on each other and require no additional tools. We highly recommend using an ash vacuum for quick cleanup. Even though there is a removable ash tray, some ash accumulates on the ventilation rim. Although this model doesn't automatically come with a shelter, Solo Stove's structured fabric cover, you can purchase a shelter separately or opt for the Yukon Backyard Bundle 2.0, which includes a shield, shelter, and a lid. The bundle is especially beneficial if you don't have a covered area to protect the fire pit when not in use. We also tested the shield as an add-on accessory and highly recommend it to protect people and property from pops and embers that spark from the fire. Dimensions: 27 by 17 inches, material, stainless steel, weight, 41.6 pounds, fuel, wood. Number 2. East Oak Fuoco Smokeless Fire Pit. We love the Fuoco 21-inch smokeless fire pit for its portable design and affordable price. The handy carrying bag doubles as a protective cover and storage bag, so it's convenient to take camping or to the beach. We are impressed by how much this fire pit warms us up, despite its small size. Honestly, after stoking it up with a big blaze, we keep our distance because it's too warm for summer nights in Florida. The heat radiates out several feet, so it will be extra cozy when you want the warmth, without the smoke. Setup is quick, easy, and intuitive, a few simple steps. This fire pit does produce quite a bit of smoke while it's getting started, but once it's roaring, the smoke is barely noticeable. The included zip-up bag is great for transport and storage. However, the carrying case isn't waterproof, and the manufacturer suggests storing it in a dry place. Since this unit weighs under 17 pounds, it's not a big deal to move it. Plus, it's small enough to tuck into the corner of a garage or a side compartment of a camper. Dimensions: 13.8 by 21.1 inches, material, stainless steel, weight, 16.8 pounds, fuel, wood, chips or pellets. Number 3. Breeo X Series 24 Smokeless Fire Pit. If you're looking for a permanent fire pit fixture, the Breeo X Series is an attractive design that performs just as well as other wood-burning options on this list. It's much larger than most on our list, about the same as our best overall, making it a great choice for families. While testing, we love this pit's ready-to-go arrival, requiring only removal from its shipping box. This pit is elevated, which allows plenty of oxygen to create a hot blaze. Its double-wall design traps smoke and reburns it, resulting in almost no smoke. We found that this pit had a little smoke, but it was still far less than a traditional fire pit. This fire pit is very heavy, the heaviest on our list, and we recommend unboxing it where you plan to use it, so you don't have to worry about moving it too much. Breeo also provides several customization features, including 3 size options. We also tested and love the 19-inch version, and 2 finishes. You can also choose to bundle your purchase with lids, covers, grills, and even parts to incorporate the fire pit into a brick surround. While it is expensive, the fire pit comes with a lifetime warranty. However, its high-quality construction and materials leave us believing you won't need to worry about its long-term durability. After 4 months of consistent use, we're pleased that it maintains its smokeless performance. Plus, we found cleaning and storing this fire pit to be an easy process when needed. Dimensions: 27.5 by 14.75 inches, material, stainless steel, weight, 62 pounds, fuel, wood. Number 4. Sunjoy Hexa-C Fire Pit. Cleanup is so easy with the Sunjoy Hexa-C Smokeless Fire Pit that the hardest part of having a fire is chopping the wood. Amazingly, the amount of ash is minimal, as the fireplace efficiently burns the logs down to dust. This makes it a joy to clean. The inner drum catches the ash and effortlessly slips out to be emptied into the compost bin or trash, after the fire pit has cooled, of course. We were skeptical about this fire pit being smokeless before testing it in our yard. No stranger to backyard fires, we are continually impressed with how little smoke is emitted from this smokeless fire pit, even with a raging fire. The only downside is the need to chop logs into shorter lengths to fit into the pit, which is common in smokeless fire pits, due to their design. Sitting around this fire, you can feel the heat from 6 feet away, and it's consistently even on all sides of the pit. We also used treaterwood pellets as fuel on a few occasions, with great results. We love the stylish look of this fire pit, with its matte black finish and hexagonal design. However, the finish is easily scratched, so keep this in mind when transporting or unpacking. Setup takes just 10 minutes from unboxing to being ready. You will, however, need a screwdriver to attach 6 fasteners. We appreciate the complimentary poker, albeit a tad short for our liking, and included a waterproof cover to protect it from the elements. Although it is small enough to be transportable, it may be a bit too bulky for weekly beach bonfires. Dimensions: 14.96 by 27.87 inches, material, stainless steel, weight, 21.61 pounds, fuel, wood. Number 5. Bali Outdoors Gas Fire Pit Table. We're big fans of the space-saving, double-duty design of this fireplace and table combo. When the fire is off, a sleek steel cover nests into the table, transforming it into a solid coffee table. We were surprised by how securely the door shut, thanks to the embedded magnet. And we love the room around the pit to set a cup of cocoa on the tile tabletop. Instead of messy logs, this one hides a propane tank, not included, underneath, so it's clean burning and smoke-free, especially compared to a wood-burning campfire. It comes with fiberglass rocks for a contemporary look. However, we experienced a few of the glass rocks cracking, even though the fire pit was set on low, so we recommend replacing them with lava rocks instead. Since you're not burning wood, the real beauty of this smokeless unit is instant flames at the twist of a dial. No chopping, hauling, or storing wood, just hit the battery-powered igniter switch, adjust the flame height, and you're in business. And this thing pumps out an impressive amount of heat, with 60,000 BTU of heat output, which can be adjusted for warm summer nights. During a windy testing session, we were a little uncomfortable with the dancing flames, and we recommend purchasing the tempered glass wind guard, sold separately. We wish it came with a waterproof cover to protect it from the elements. Building this fire table is somewhat time-consuming, but easier with 2 people on the job. We accomplished it alone in 50 minutes, but with a buddy, we think we could have done it in about 30. Dimensions: 42 by 24 by 24 inches, material, stainless steel, weight, 77.5 pounds, fuel, propane.